Hello friends, welcome to the channel. These days we are covering some important questions from this subject, literature and cross-cultural encounters, and this also covers individual and society. पहले बुक थी सिर्फ इंडिविजुअल एंड सोसाइटी जो कि कुछ प्रोग्राम और ऑनर स्टूडेंट्स के पास थी। सीबीसीएस के बाद से इस सब्जेक्ट को ऑनर स्टूडेंट के लिए लिटरेचर एंड क्रॉस कल्चरल एनकाउंटर्स नाम दिया जाता है और यही लगभग यही चैप्टर्स हैं इंडिविजुअल एंड सोसाइटी बीए प्रोग्राम और पोल साइंस ऑनर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी। तो जो भी टॉपिक हम कवर करेंगे प्लीज चेक योर सिलेबस फर्स्ट एंड एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली। मे बी कोई चैप्टर ऑनर्स में है लेकिन प्रोग्राम में नहीं है, पोल साइंस में है लेकिन ऑनर्स में नहीं है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपने क्वेश्चंस को कवर करिएगा। वी आर ट्राइंग टू कवर द होल बुक। This is from Who Were the Shudras by B.R. Ambedkar, and the question says, why does the writer launch an attack on the so-called sacred books? Answer with reference to Who Were the Shudras by B.R. Ambedkar. आइए इस किताब के बारे में जानते हैं थोड़ा सा। ये हिस्टोरिकल बुक है, पब्लिश्ड बाय इंडियन सोशल रिफॉर्मर एंड पॉलीमेथ बी आर अम्बेडकर इन 1946। ईयर्स अगर आप याद रख सकते हैं तो जरूर याद रखिए, दैट गिव्स अ वेरी गुड इंप्रेशन टू द एग्जामिनर। The book discusses the origin of the शूद्र वर्ण। शूद्र वर्ण किस तरीके से ओरिजिनेट हुआ था। अंबेडकर जी ने इस बुक को डेडिकेट किया है ज्योतिराव फूले को। उनका भी एक चैप्टर हम लोग ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं। ज्योतिराव फूले whose life span was 1827 to 1890. Who were the Shudras? This is we are covering, written by B.R. Ambedkar. I always tell you, please do write the introduction of the writer as well. Do not directly jump into answering the question. Always introduce the theme of the chapter, always introduce something about the writer first and then move on to your major topic. That will give you two types of benefits. First, आपकी word limit complete हो जाएगी थोड़ी सी introduction करते हुए, and then it will give a very nice impression to the examiner जो check कर रहे हैं कि you really have studied the things. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was a jurist, social reformer and politician, और सबसे बड़ा टाइटल जो इनके साथ associated है, that is, he was the father of Indian Constitution, a very well-known politician and an eminent jurist. His efforts to eradicate social evils like untouchability, like caste restrictions, were completely remarkable. Throughout his life, I will say, he fought for the rights of the Dalits, so-called scheduled castes, and other socially backward people. Let us understand this diagram before reading everything. Everybody knows that the Shudras form the fourth Varna of the Indo-Aryan society, but very few have cared to inquire who were the Shudras and how they came into existence, how they came to be called the fourth Varna, and that to the lowest one. अंबेडकर जी अब अपना एक व्यू पॉइंट प्रेजेंट करते हैं, प्रेजेंट्स इवन एविडेंस to show that the Shudras belong to the क्षत्रिय क्लास। क्षत्रिय क्लास के ही किंग हुआ करते थे शूद्रास, और उन्हीं में से कुछ किंग थे आर्यन कम्युनिटीज में जिनका ब्राह्मण्स के साथ कुछ फ्रिक्शन हुआ, कुछ डिस्प्यूट हुआ, एंड एज पर दैट डिस्प्यूट ब्राह्मण्स ने कुछ क्षत्रिय किंग्स को डिग्रेड कर दिया और उनको शूद्र कहा जाने लगा। ही हाइपोथेसिस मानकर चल रहे थे that the Shudras were degraded and made the fourth Varna as a result of the violent conflict between Shudras and Brahmanas. तो इस बुक के थ्रू बेसिकली अंबेडकर जी दो ही क्वेश्चंस को पोज करते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज द टाइटल, दैट इज हु वर द Shudras, and second one ki how these Shudras came to be called the fourth Varna and the lowest Varna. Let us read now. B.R. Ambedkar aims to provide clarity on the origins of the Shudra class in the caste system in India through this book of his. It was initially published in 1946. मैं आपको बार बार ईयर याद दिला रही हूँ, ईयर को याद रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. 1946 was a time when caste discrimination in society was rampant, बहुत ज़्यादा किया जाता था caste discrimination, and the lower castes continued to suffer immensely. और कोई भी कास्ट इतना सफर नहीं करती थी जितना सफर करते थे लोअर कास्ट्स. He provides evidence from the Vedic scriptures to provide a much clearer and relatively undistorted picture on the origin of the caste system in India. The book also outright denies the Aryan invasion theory. एक थियोरी है जिसमें कहा जाता है आर्यंस ने इन्वेड किया था, उसके बाद जो वीकर सेक्शन था दे वर कॉल्ड शूद्रास, लेकिन उस थ्योरी को वो डिनाई करते हैं और कहते हैं कि पहले के जो 3 वर्णास थे ब्राह्मण, उनकी ब्राह्मण्स की फाइट हो गई थी क्षत्रिय किंग्स के साथ और उन क्षत्रिय किंग्स को उन्होंने शूद्रस का स्टेटस दे दिया था. So basically, Ambedkar ji says that Shudras was an artificial caste created in ancient literature to prove the superiority of so-called Brahmins. And he says this particular statement intact under the system of Chaturvarnya, the Shudra is not only placed at the bottom of the gradation, but he is subjected to innumerable ignominies and disabilities so as to prevent him from rising above the condition fixed for him by law. और law बनाया किसने? Brahmins ने. So by going through this work, one can very well conclude, provided the evidence is quoted in this book, that what is the conclusion? Let us see that. That there were not 4 varnas in the beginning, but 3. And also, the so-called Shudras were not the natives of India, but they were also the Aryans who constituted the class Kshatriya, eliminating the long-believed theory of invasion of the natives by the foreigners. So it is extremely clear that the Shudras, as a result of continuous conflicts with the Brahmanas, they were degraded, paving ways to the formation of this 4th Varna, which came to be called Shudras. So in the end, we can say that the book itself, Who Were the Shudras itself, is a testimony to the thoroughness of the scholar B.R. Ambedkar on a quest for uncovering the truth. And the book discusses completely the origin of the Shudra Varna, and Ambedkar dedicated the book to Jyotirao Phule. So we have reached to the end of this chapter 2. In the next chapter, we will talk about Who Were the Shudras by B.R. Ambedkar. बहुत ही important chapter रहने वाला है next हमारा, और उसमें से हम एक important question cover करेंगे. Till then, keep watching the channel. Please do not forget to share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams.